An unstained RBC seen under microscope appear option A red, option B pink, option C greenish yellow, option D purple. Answer is option C greenish yellow. Lifespan of RBC. Option A 12 days, option B 12 weeks, option C 120 days, option D 20 days. Answer is option C 120 days. When blood is centrifuged, buffy coat formed above the layer of packed cells is option A layer of RBC, option B layer of platelet, option C layer of WBC, option D both B and C. Answer is option D both B and C. Cell associated with the destruction of helminthes. Option A basophil, option B RBC, option C eosinophil, option D platelet. Answer is option C eosinophil. Blue-black colored granules are characteristics of option A neutrophils, option B eosinophils, option C basophils, option D lymphocyte. Answer is option C basophils. Spectacle-shaped nuclei or bilobed nuclei are seen in option A lymphocyte, option B platelet, option C erythrocyte, option D eosinophil. Answer is option D eosinophil. Granules present in neutrophils are dash colored. Option A red, option B orange red, option C pink, option D blue. Answer is option C pink. Scavenger cell is the other name for option A monocytes, option B lymphocyte, option C plasma cell, option D erythrocyte. Answer is option A monocytes. Plasma cells are formed from option A RBC, option B platelet, option C plasma, option D lymphocyte. Answer is option D lymphocyte. Other name for clot cell is option A normocyte, option B chordocyte, option C thrombocyte, option D leukocyte. Answer is option C thrombocyte. Hemostasis is assisted and maintained by option A hemocytoblast, option B leukocyte, option C thrombocyte, option D lymphocyte. Answer is option C thrombocyte. Site preferred for capillary blood collection in infants. Option A earlobe, option B fingertip, option C toe, option D heel. Answer is option D heel. The membrane and cytoskeleton of the erythrocyte is collectively referred to as option A reticulocyte, option B stroma, option C spectrin, option D sideroblast. Answer is option B stroma. Normal shape of red cells are maintained by protein. Option A spectrin, option B albumin, option C fibrinogen, option D globulin. Answer is option A spectrin. Name the protein which provide color to the RBC. Option A hemoglobin, option B myoglobin, option C porphyrin, option D carbonic anhydrase. Answer is option A hemoglobin. All are sites of blood formation during gestation except option A yolk sac of embryo, option B liver, option C spleen, option D kidney. Answer is option D kidney. Rubricite is otherwise known as option A reticulocyte, option B lymphocyte, option C polychromatic erythroblast, option D polychromatic erythrocyte. Answer is option C polychromatic erythroblast. Wheel spoke or radicon appearance is seen in option A pronormoblast, option B basophilic normoblast, option C orthochromatic normoblast, option D polychromatic erythrocyte. Answer is option B basophilic normoblast. Discocyte is otherwise called option A elliptocyte, option B spherocyte, option C erythrocyte, option D thrombocyte. Answer is option C erythrocyte. Red cell surface possess negative charge due to presence of option A hemoglobin, option B spectrin, option C sialic acid, option D stroma. Answer is option C sialic acid. Bore size of needle used for venipuncture in adult. Option A 18 to 20 gauge, option B 15 gauge, option C 16 gauge, option D 23 gauge. Answer is option A 18 to 20 gauge.